The Lord's my shepherd, got what I need. Leads me down where the tall grass breeze. By still waters he lets me rest, with a tired old heart beating in my chest. He restores my soul when the road gets long, puts my feet back where they belong. For his name he leads me on, through the dark before the dawn. Oh, surely goodness follows me, every mile down every street, through the valleys deep and cold. I ain't walking alone, with my cup running over and my hands raised high. The shepherd of my soul stays by my side. Yeah, the shepherd of my soul stays by my side. Even when I walk through Shadowland, I will not fear, with your staff in hand. Through thunder rolling overhead, you prepare a table right in front of death. Enemies watch, but my heart stands still, 'cause your mercy's stronger than the hills. You anoint my head with oil and grace, and I see heaven in your face. Oh, surely goodness follows me, every mile down every street, through the valleys deep and cold. I ain't walking alone, with my cup running over and my hands raised high. The shepherd of my soul stays by my side. Yeah, the shepherd of my soul stays by my side. Through the valley, through the night, you are with me, by my side. Through the sorrow, through the pain, you keep calling out my name. Oh, surely goodness follows me, like the sunrise chasing me, and I will dwell forevermore in my Father's home, with my cup still running over and these worn out boots. I'll keep singing of the shepherd and the truth. Yeah, I'll keep singing of the shepherd and the truth. The Lord's my shepherd, I shall not want. The Lord's my shepherd, I shall not want.